Fantastic thumbnail ideas, where to find inspiration and make your YouTube videos pop. Hey, awesome creators, ready to make your YouTube videos stand out with super cool thumbnails? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of inspiration to create the most eye-catching thumbnails ever. Let's explore different places and get some amazing tips to level up your YouTube game. 1. Movie magic posters. Think about the last movie you watched. Movie posters are like the magic sneak peeks that make us want to see the film. Notice how they use colors, fonts, and exciting images. You can borrow these ideas to create thumbnails that scream, "Watch me now." 2. TV adventures. TV ads are like mini stories in a flash. They're experts at grabbing attention quickly. Check out how they use visuals to tell a quick tale. Incorporate these storytelling techniques into your thumbnails to make viewers curious and eager to click. 3. Billboard brilliance. Billboards are the kings of visibility. They use bold colors and big words to be seen from afar. Apply these principles to your thumbnails. Big, bold, and bright. Make sure your audience can't resist clicking with your attention-grabbing designs. 4. Magazine cover mastery. Magazines know how to make things look fancy. They use captivating images to tease what's inside, learn from them, and add a touch of sophistication to your thumbnails. Make your audience feel like they're about to open a treasure chest of content. 5. Art and design extravaganza. Let's take a journey into the art world. Explore design platforms like Behance and Dribbble. See what colors, shapes, and styles catch your eye. Incorporate these unique design elements into your thumbnails for a fresh and creative look. 6. Nature's palette and everyday wonders. Nature is a fantastic artist. Take a nature walk or find inspiration in everyday scenes around you. Capture the vibrant colors and use them in your thumbnails. Bring a touch of nature's beauty to your audience through your visuals. 7. Typography thrills. Fonts can be your secret weapon. Discover different fonts on specialized websites. Choose fonts that align with your video's vibe. Experiment with typography to create an extra layer of excitement in your thumbnails. 8. Color combo spectacle. Become a color explorer. Use tools like Adobe Color Wheel to find stunning color combinations. Experiment with hues and tones to make your thumbnails visually appealing. A harmonious color palette can make your thumbnails pop. Congratulations, creative genius! You've just unlocked a treasure chest of inspiration to make your YouTube thumbnails absolutely fantastic. Combine these tips, get creative, and watch your videos become the stars of the platform. If you enjoyed this guide, hit the like button, share the knowledge with your fellow creators, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic content. Happy thumbnail designing!